Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
We gonna demo? Yeah. All right. Put the windows up first.
I'm a three-time state champion also.
Three-time, okay.
That's why I've been trying to get a hold of you.
All right, awesome. Can I get your name and full rundown real quick?
Yeah, James, last name Bowers. I got two EXM 15s on a Wolfram 45. On a Wolfram 4500. Got a 35 amp hour LTO Yinglong Bank.
Okay.
And Singer 270 all zero gauge runs.
Awesome. What is it tuned to, and what are you peaking at?
I'm tuned to 34. I peak at 39.
39. Okay. Right under 40. All right. And what did you meter?
148.51
Nice.
at
Okay.
3,500 watts.
Okay. Nice. All right. Do you do better with the window up or down, demoing wise?
Down.
Down? Okay. can smell them.
All right.
Yeah. I appreciate the demo. What was your name?
James.
James. Jacob. Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.